a bad state, so is a level of self esteem. We have to slow down and deal with what is troubling us so that we can enjoy the simple joy of being happy and peace with ourselves. Good morning, myself Manju Kumari of Tarapore School. But what is emotional health? Emotional health is a person's ability to accept and manage feelings through challenges and changes. A person who is emotionally healthy can allow the emotions to be digestible. Emotional health is very important for a happy life. It is a part of overall health. People who are emotionally healthy are in control of their thoughts, feelings, and behavior. They are able to cope with life challenges. They can keep their problems in perspective and bounce back from setbacks. They feel good about themselves and have a good relationship. Being emotionally healthy doesn't mean you're happy at all times. It means you know whether your emotions are positive or negative. It means you're aware of your emotions. Being emotionally healthy, people still feel stress, anger, and sadness, but they know how to manage their negative feeling. They know when a problem is more than they can handle on their own. They know when to seek help from the doctor. Research tell that emotional health is a skill. Emotional health helps you to work productively and cope with stresses of everyday life. It helps you to realize your potentials. It helps you to know your capability and to support and to contribute to society.